We back. Day 7. It's raining. Day 7 is raining. I almost ain't do the video, but I said I can't miss a day. Little baby's out there somewhere. It's raining. It's been some wet weather the last 3 days. I'll tell you that much. Oh, they growing fast. They growing so fast. I need some sun now. It's enough of the rain. I know I like the rain because I don't got to water. Anyway, Dad take care of most of the watering anyway. But now it's time for some sun. It's time for some sun. They got enough water. Oh, they growing fast. Oh, they growing fast. Y'all seeing this? You guys seeing this? Oh, they growing fast. Look at this bad boy. Oh, this one's ready. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go to palm tree. It's the only one so far. Only little baby right there, but there be more coming. Take a quick stroll again. Yeah, they growing fast. It's enough of the rain though. I want some sunlight. I usually always cry for the rain. And now I want the sunlight. Day 7, we back tomorrow. I think it's gonna be rainy tomorrow too. But after that, we're gonna have some nice weather, so we'll see what's going on. Hopefully the next 2 or 3 days we have another few babies. All right, we'll be back tomorrow, all right?